Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add receipt to Dunkin Donuts app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add a receipt to your Dunkin's app and earn reward points for in-store purchases, what you can do is, after making a purchase at a participating Dunkin location, retain the printed receipt. Then head over and open up your Dunkin app. Now once you're inside here, be sure to be signed into your Dunkin rewards account as well. Then once you're here, you'll find an option that says reward options. Simply tap on that. Now inside here, what you need to do is navigate to the reward section or just simply search for the option labeled add points or add receipt. Then tap on the option to initiate the process of adding points from your receipt. Then the app may prompt you to scan the barcode on your receipt using your smartphone's camera. Then after scanning or entering the required details, confirm and submit the information. Once submitted, the app should confirm that your points have been added to your account. You can view your updated points balance in the reward section. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.